Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward tutorial on how to add a PDF to Google Sites in 2025. Whether you're building a professional portfolio, a school project, or a business website, embedding PDFs can make your site more interactive and informative. This process is quick and easy, and by the end of this video, you'll be doing it like a pro. So, grab your PDF file, and let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a Google account and are logged in. Head over to sites.google.com and either open an existing site or create a new one. Once you're in the editor, click on the Insert menu at the top of the page. From the drop-down, select Drive. This is where the magic happens since Google Sites integrates seamlessly with Google Drive. Next, if your PDF isn't already in Google Drive, you'll need to upload it. Go to drive.google.com. Click New, and upload your PDF file. Now, back in Google Sites, under the Insert menu in Drive, search for your PDF file. Once you find it, select it and choose how you want to add it. You can embed it directly on the page or link to it for downloads. After selecting your PDF, click Insert. You'll see a preview on your site page. Resize or position it as needed to fit your layout. Don't forget to give it a descriptive title or caption to help your visitors understand what it's about. Once everything looks good, hit the Publish button at the top right to make your changes live. One quick tip. If your PDF is large, consider compressing it first to ensure fast loading times. Also, double-check that your site is set to public if you want everyone to access the PDF. And there you have it. Your PDF is now part of your Google site. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious.